Legends told of a man named Shady Freak who would crash all of the cars he had in his garage. Let's get right into it. Go! Go! Yes! Destroy! Ah! Ah! Anyway, guys, welcome back to Shady Freak, and today I'm going to be doing another episode of this game where I destroy every vehicle that I have. So, let's go. Truck through a brick wall. It's a pretty good title, don't you think? No. Boom. Truck crushes its own driver. It's a pretty good headline. Okay. Ooh. What should I get? Let's go Bandit. This isn't all this video is going to be though. I have another map that I want to show you. That's right, folks. A new map. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Even though it's not really a new map, it's just I haven't played it yet. And crushed. And of course the bus just has to come along and... Oh god, I just realised. That's only his body there. Ow. Instant replay. What camera is this? Character camera. Instant replay. Nope, that's going backwards. Boom. One hit. Sends that other car flying. Jeez, look at that other car. He's flying. Oh, and then this car. Boom. No arms. Just no arms. Just okay. So the bus goes off the road. Oh god! It tears. That's what tears his torso apart and crushes everything else under the wheels. Jeez, this game is brutal. Even if they are only crash test dummies, quite literally, it's still a brutal game. Okay, let's go. Ah, well, at first I thought that was going to be a horrible one because he went like flying into a tree and just get off the road, but that came back. It rebounded off the tree. Stereo Dismount. There we go. I've got ads in this. Pay me now. Okay. That's not Lord. Okay. Glory to our Stotska. Perfectly fine. I'm only gonna have a few bruises in the morning. Anyway, let's get into the new map. Okay. It's called The Getaway. Okay, so basically, seems you're out front of a bank. You must have robbed it or something. Because the cops are coming after you like there's no tomorrow. Damn. No. See? Ow. I need to get rid of those obstacles. Oh yeah, I also have a bit of a challenge. So what I'm going to do, I'll just remove these. What I'm going to try to do is go from where I start, turn right, and then turn left again, try to get up that ramp without being obliterated into a million pieces. What do you reckon? Shh. I know. If we dress up as one of them, we can disguise ourselves as one of them. They won't even know the difference. Well, I mean, other than they drive straight and I drive like this. See? Almost had it. And somehow I've already stopped. That's how. Whole front of the car's missing. Okay, so that didn't work. Let's get Luke. Luke, use the force, Luke. Luke! You suck, Luke. Use the force, Luke. Do or do not. There is no try. Come on. Come on. Right into the tree. Good job. 10 out of 10. 10 out of... Turn. Turn. Okay, well. Seems no, just see. It would be easier if the controls would actually work. Jeez, that car just went up it. Landed on top of the thing. If the controls would work, then I'd be able to do this better. Well, I reckon go something they can't destroy. That's a good plan, right? It barely touched me. You didn't even give me a scratch. Jeez, okay. Well, I mean, if you do that, then I can't beat you. Oh, yo. The AI is becoming smarter. It's evolving. Okay, wait for that car to go past. Ready? Okay, go. Oh no, I didn't give him enough time. No! Don't go in front of the cop car. Jesus! Okay. My plan did not work. Oh well, let's do it again. Don't crash into the trees with this. There's no way you're surviving that. The cars just go through that. I was so close. But did you see that? The cop car went through it. The cop car just went straight through the jump. Okay, let's go delivery van. I mean, I suppose they would have to kind of make it so they go through. Otherwise, you'd just have a pile up before you even start. Full speed! Come on. Come on. No, you don't. You think you can get me, huh? Oh, go! Damn it! God damn it! Anyway, that was a solid tactic. Go again. Go. That's not quite full speed, but will hopefully be good enough. Go. Come on. Dodge the police officers. Come on. No. God damn it. Come on. That is police brutality. That's illegal. This is my challenge of the day. I have to complete this. I must. Come on. God damn it. This car sucks. What if we've been looking at this all wrong? What if we needed to go a car from the age when cars were only just released? I mean, see? Jeez. Oh, no. It was going so well, it was still going perfectly fine. This car is going to lead me to victory. Go! Go, El Carro! Flips for days. Go! This car is boss! Oh, he's still driving. Come on, turn. Still drive. Come on, I want to go. I want to see if I can go a second time. Come on, turn. No. Almost. Oh, turn. Turn. Okay, turn. Keep going. No. Oh no. So close. If it wasn't for that last car. Oh, once more of that, and then we'll play some other levels. Full speed. You don't need all of the parts of a car to be able to drive. You do need to not stop though. Do you have that foot on the brake? You better not have a foot on the brake. If you do, I'll break you. What? They barely even got touched. Come on. Go. Come on. You're the only car I've been able to do it with so far. Come on. Come on. Come on. Show them that new is not always better. Okay, screw it. New's always better. Let's go something. Let's do some more Hit the Fan. I love this one. This one's like the best though, because I love it when you get smashed like a million times. Oh, too far. Too far. Actually, oh, clobbered. Home run out of the park. He was still driving there. This car is like so strong. Let's get a smaller jump though. How is this car this strong? Is this like the Batmobile? You still went too far. Yeah, come on, you're ruining my video. Okay, so you went too high at the start and you went too far. I'll try a quarter pipe. It's not going to work, but still. Go, espionager. Go. Oh, actually, kind of worked. Kind of. Okay, next. Let's go. Let's go for some Let's Keep Going. Ooh, that's some tricky wordplay right there. Turn. Crunch. 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 I'm pretty sure I just saw my character's arm get torn off. Yeah, where's the guy? No. I'm alright, guys. Okay, maybe it wasn't his arm, it was his leg. Still going. Almost there. Oh, hey, that's a new high score. Ooh, thank you, espionager. This is an awesome car. How is this car this good? First person. Oh, God. Doesn't handle well with first person, though. Ah! First person. Where am I? Where am I? I'm already at the bottom. What? 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 Did I take some kind of shortcut last time? Okay, where's my character? Yep, got the car back, ready to drive. Perfectly fine. Token bird. Token birds were meant to fly. Not really at all. Crush him. Come on. Crush him. Destroy him. Land on him. Land on him. Oh, there we go. Ah, good job. Good job. You've fulfilled your purpose, Token Bird. You have fulfilled your purpose. There's just like half of the Token Bird. The rest's up there somewhere. I'm sure it's alright. My character's just heaped up into a ball. Mwahaha. Come on. Okay, die. Die. There goes the front. There goes. This goes so long, like just dodging them all. So close to hitting it. Then it hits. Oh, that's awesome. Shuriken. First person. Die. 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 Where am I? What's happening? Ah, there we go. Oh God, no. Like how the whole screen just goes red. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. Press that little red subscribe button for more content, and I'll see all you guys next time.